I'm not gang affiliated, but I toss up a set every now and then. I'm just kidding. All right. Boogie's already ruining the video. Watch out, Boogie, before I make you lick my balls. I'm just kidding. Boogie, come here. Come here. Lay down. All right. Welcome to a highly requested video. So this is going to be on how you can find your daily bias, okay? This is like literally the easiest thing, but for some reason I get a million people on TikTok asking me how I do it. It's because you guys overcomplicate this shit, okay? So we're going to decomplicate it for you in literally 2 seconds, all right? So this is market open. Boogie, don't even think about edging your way over here, bro. Don't even think about it. Anyways, this is market open. All right. First things first, okay? This is candle prior to the hour candle of market open. What's the 1 hour structures telling us? Bearish, right? We broke structure right here, and we continued structure right here. So we're bearish on the 1 hour. On the 15 minute, what's it telling us? More bearish. So what are we for the day? Bearish. Clap it up, clap it up. You learned how to do daily bias. That's all it is, you guys, okay? Ready? And then we can do the BS of, you know, like plotting out our trades, because you guys love doing that. Okay, we have a 15-minute high right here. We have a 5-minute high right here. We have, let's play it up until market open to see if we get any more. Anything else? Okay, we have like another 5-minute relative equal highs right here. Okay, we're bearish. What do we want to look for, you guys? Buy side liquidity to get swept, break of structure on the 1 minute, tap in, swipe, and scam the market's ass. Okay, so we'll play it. Okay, look, fake out to the downside. Okay, look, all you guys probably see this and are so spamming sells, and it's like, no, bro, wait. All right. Right, market ends up pushing back to the upside, giving you a classic fake out, taking out this liquidity and this liquidity. Then what do? We're monitoring lows for a break of structure to find an entry. Guys, it's literally like simplify the steps. Stop trying. You're getting in your own head right now, bro. Like simplify. That's all it is, okay? We'll play it some more to see if it makes any new lows. Boom. Okay, ready? Now this is a low, all right? I know because I traded this morning. Boom, break of structure. You enter on that candle, short position, bling, blow. Okay, set your freaking take profits based off of previous structure. Okay, so we have structure right here. We have freaking whatever, the end of a fair value gap right here. We have another low right here. We have freaking stuff over here. Okay, take profits are the least of your worries. Okay, take profit. Literally just if you're shorting, find lows to the left side. If you're buying, find highs to the left side. Okay, so we'll play it, see what happens. So would you look at that? Market goes in our freaking bias, taking out like a bunch of take profits. Okay, like it's really easy, you guys. Super duper easy peasy lemon squeeze me type of beat. Like, look, bro. So that was today. We can go ahead and do it another day, but essentially you literally just have to look at the 1 hour and figure out where is it going. Okay, it's that easy, you guys. It's as easy as, what's the 1 hour doing? Okay, perfect. We know where market's going to go. All right, so let's go. This was that day. Okay. Boom. Okay, what is this telling us? Okay, broke structure to the downside. I don't care. I don't freaking care. Oh, liquidity. No, bro. What is the 1 hour telling us? Bearish. And this isn't even a liquidity sweep. Why? Because we closed below this low. And now I just opened my text. Because we just closed below this low, bro. I need to crop the text out, but yeah. We closed below this low. Like, okay, so we're bearish, okay? Go to the 15-minute. What are we looking for? Highs to get swept, okay? So mark them out. Boom. 15-minute high. Another 15-minute high. Another 15-minute high. And another 15-minute high. All right? Like, that's it. Maybe go to the 5-minute and mark out even more if you're that ambitious with it. Okay, we'll play it, see what market does, okay? What's it going to do? Fake you out to the downside, then freaking rips, okay? And then, boom, look, literally 1, 2, 3 areas of liquidity taken out. Okay, where do we enter? On the closure below here, right? Boom, we close below, we sell right here. Where can we target? Take profit 1 right here. Where can our other take profits be? Freaking take profit 2 right here, take profit 3 all the way down here, okay? Like, simple stuff, okay? We'll play it. What does it do? Hit take profit 1 and 2, okay? Like, you know how to find your bias. Look at the 1 hour. That's it. I'm trying to simplify this for you guys, so let me simplify it for you. Don't look so deep into this stuff. It's so much less than what you guys really think. And it's funny because it's like you guys are like, well, according to my analysis, and it's like, no, bro, stop doing your analysis right now. Okay, you're doing way too much, bro, and you're trying to make yourself look smart, and you're not. Okay, so just cool it. Okay, look, this one. Okay, what's the 1 hour telling us? We broke structure to the upside. Okay, 1 hour is telling us go, 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 go. Buy, 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 buy. So what are we looking for? Buys. Perfect, okay? What can we do? Mark out the 15-minute lows, okay? Boom, low right here, and I remember it's going to make another low right here once we play it up until market open. Oh, wait, this isn't even market open. This is market open. Here, wait. Pause. Boogie's eating something. Resume. Okay, so we'll play it up until market open. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, we make another low right there. Okay, we can mark that off. But what are we looking for? Buys. Why? Because the 1 hour told us. Okay, listen to daddy. 1 hour is daddy. Okay. Go to the 1 minute time frame. We don't care. We don't freaking care if it sweeps this and then makes a move down. We could give a crap. Okay. Why? Because we're looking for buys. Where are we going to be buying? Underneath sell side liquidity. All right. Play. Boom, sell side liquidity gets swept. What are we looking for? We're looking for highs being made, okay? Look, we make this high. Okay, put that on, okay? And then we'll wait for a break of structure. Did this break structure? No, but it made a new high. So we move it back up here, okay? It's whatever new high, right, gets broken. That's our break of structure, okay? Okay, we make another new high. And I don't care that this one is higher. It's just the new one. Okay? Just use the new one that gets made. Okay, we'll play it some more. I know how this goes. It's going to break structure. Boom, break of structure. Long position. Long John, bomb it. Okay, boom. Stop underneath liquidity sweep. Where are we targeting? Look to the left side of the chart. Okay, boom. We have one right there. See, this left side of the chart is not offering much, but we can go ahead and just kind of spitball. I'm pretty sure I did my take profit 2 like right here, and then we have a take profit 3 like right here, and then we can go ahead and put take profit 4 all the way up here. All right, so this is what it looks like. All right, extendo clip this all the way up here. All right, speed this thing up. You know how it goes. Like, send this thing off the page, bro. Like, come on, man. Like, where's it going? Up. Why? Because the 1 hour told us so. All right. Simple stuff, you guys. All right. When was this? Monday. We can go back and do another one. Okay. Let me find an example of where the 1 hour is not in confluence with the 15-minute. And even then, it's like, who cares what the 15 minutes doing? Because the 1 hour holds more power. Why? Because it's a higher time frame. Okay, like look at this. Okay, I don't even have to do market open or whatever. Okay, we break structure right here. Okay, 1400. Okay, this is the candle that is right prior to market open. Or sorry, this is the candle that starts market open. Okay, look, ready? If we put the little line on 1430, okay, I'm on the London time zone. Look, we broke structure on the 1 hour. What does market do 30 minutes into open? Sweep sell side liquidity, sell side liquidity, sell side liquidity, sell side liquidity, sends it to the freaking moon. Okay, like simplify it, lil jit. Okay, let's go to the next day. $14.30. All right. Look at the 1 hour. 1 hour. What's it telling us? Bearish, 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 bearish. So what are we for the day? Bearish, 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 bearish. Okay. Look at the 15 minute. Remember, we don't care about the 15 minute. But look, oh, we broke structure to the upside. Who cares? We only care what the 1 hour is telling us. Why? Don't even look at the 4 hour. Why? Because we're not taking 4 hour long trades. We're taking these trades to last like an hour, if that, right? Our trades are in and out within 30 minutes, bro. So the 1 hour is all you need to find your bias. Look, buy side liquidity, sweep, sweep, send it. Where can you enter within this? Where's the break of structure? Move down, move up. That's at low. Boom. Perfect. This candle closes below there. Abort short it. Boom. Boom. Like set take profits at previous lows, right? Take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. Clap it up. You had yourself a day. All take profits got hit. All right? Like, there you go. That's how you learn daily bias. I hope that, hopefully that helped. It's literally just reading the 1 hour time frame and seeing what direction it's going, right? Is it bullish? Did it break bullish structure, or is it in bearish structure? Is it in a downtrend or is it an uptrend? Ta-da! And I don't mean to sound like snarky or anything. It's just like, simplify it, bro. Like, you guys are looking so deep into this. Like, there's an order block, and then the 1 hour is in a fair value gap, and then but the weekly in another order block, like saying the different bias. What should I do? And it's like, oh, like, just cool it, bro. Just look at the 1 hour time frame and see what it's telling you. And it'll work every single time. Okay, unless you mess something else up in the process, the 1 hour time frame will tell you where it's going. And it unless it's on a big news day like CPI, PPI, NFP, FOMC, I don't know, like Federal Chairman Powell speaks, that's when the 1 hour bias won't be helpful. But guess what? We don't trade those days anyways. Okay? And guess what happens on those days? 1 hour bias gets violated, and it's actually like a 4 hour bias that gets played off of. Right? Let's look at, like, this was CPI news. Look, we had literally this day, CPI news. Look, sweep of the 4 hour time frame, collapse. There was not NFP, oh no, this was NFP. It was actually on the 1 hour. Wait, no, where was this? Am I tripping? Oh, it was right here, look, okay? This was NFP, right? We sweep 4 hour structure and then rip it. And then also, like, look at the 1 hour time frame on this. Look, sweep, push, sweep, push, okay, this comes down, tests order block, continues. Okay? Technical analysis never fails. Even in news events, but there's a reason why we don't trade news events, because it causes those massive swings. Yeah, technical analysis will work for it and it'll still hold true, but it messes with your head when it's doing those massive swings, and it's just not a probable time to trade. Okay, so hopefully you learned something from this video, and if you didn't, you probably shouldn't have. You probably shouldn't have learned anything from this video. Why? Because you just need to remove stuff that you have already learned in the past. Okay, stop listening to like a billion mentors on YouTube. Choose one, and then take all of his confusing stuff that you don't know and just throw it out the window. Okay, anything that you're confused on, just get rid of it, bro. If you're confused on something, don't use it. All right, trading should be easy for you. Trading is easy. Okay, if you're confused on something, stop using it. If you have a question on something, stop using it. Use something else instead. There's a million other things that you can use. Technical analysis is everywhere, bro. All you need is just liquidity sweep, break of structure. You really only need market structure, knowing where the market's going. You can even form a trade based off that. All right, so hopefully you didn't learn anything from this video, and hopefully you were able to throw out some information that you were confused on. That's how I find daily bias, and I'm undefeated on the month doing that. So I guess if you don't think that works, then I don't know. Don't use that to find daily bias. Just look at the chart instead. Keep it as simple as possible, bro. Trust me, it's information overload. I was at your point. I was at your point too. All right, I was unprofitable with a million things going through my head, stressing out about trades. Trust me, if you just simplify, you can make this stuff so much easier. All right, I appreciate you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Hopefully this really just simplified everything for you. I appreciate y'all. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.